Today, there are generous inventory instructions this month. For the inventory, there are 25 terminals in the warehouse and one inventory assistant. To supply the inventory means there are 15 minutes allocated. There is 6 in the morning to 6 p.m. for the development of the inventory. There are compensatory days for people attending the inventory. Persons in the inventory going to count 3 times. The analyst going to maintain an information report. The chef going to supply obtained results. In the afternoon, the employees going to deliver the information of the inventory. The analysts are going to deliver the results on Monday morning. Thank you.